Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 109 Wellesley Road in Buckhaven. It's an amazing retail unit. It used to be Moreland's the Butchers. It's a fantastic thoroughfare it's on as well. It's on just on the main road, so you've got a lot of traffic comes through here, so you're going to see your signage all the time in here. It's got two display windows at the front, as you can see. The shutters are down just now. You've got the front door that goes in, and you've got quite a bit of space on the front is here. You can probably put a wee table and chairs there. Don't say I said that, but you could do if you're having a wee cafe in here as well and you're thinking about doing that for yourself. This is sold as seen currently just now, so if you want to continue in its present form and use it as it is, all the equipment's available as well. It can be without all the equipment, but that's a different price point. But a good retail unit, a good shop unit as well. Huge amount of space in here. That's kind of a blank canvas for anybody that wants to have their own business. You know, ownership of having your own premises is a lot better than actually renting from someone else, especially when it comes to retail and that. And it's a lot more affordable and it's good for cost control and budgets. So as you can see, there's a huge amount of space, floor space in here. It could be repurposed for something else. Through the back here, you've also got a storage area. You've got a wee office area as well. You've got the WC in here. And then you've got the kitchenette area to the rear, the wash hand basins and a bit round the corner, and this looks like a freezer as well, and here, so lots of space overall. Is this the perfect opportunity for you? This is your chance. If you've always wanted to run your own business, you've always wanted to have your own premises, you've always wanted to do your own thing, and you're just ready, and you're the point of readiness, when opportunity and preparation meets, this could be it for you. If you need more details on this, there's a link on this post. You can click above or below and it'll give you more information on it. You could contact us on 01333 421 774, or you could message us direct on this post for further details as well. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for 5 Properties TV.